How to create email templates. Email templates are used to create an email message prior to sending an email to clients. In this tutorial, we will cover creating an email message template. Click the I in the upper right-hand corner if you want to learn more about email messaging. To create a new email template, we will go into the System menu drop-down arrow and select Email Templates. Here, you can create email message templates to use for email marketing as well as appointment reminders. You will see the default appointment reminder template here. Please be aware that this area is enabled for computer devices. If you are on a smaller screen or a mobile device, this area will only allow you to view the templates and not edit them. Click Add New. This will open the email template editor. Set a template name and email subject. We will be creating an email to entice clients who have not booked in a while. The template name is for employee reference only, while the email subject will be displayed in the subject line of the message. Click into the blue area to start adding content to the body of your email. This will pop up a window that allows you to choose to add different types of content. Text will open a text editor. Image or GIF allows you to upload an image file of your choosing into the body of the email. Button lets you insert a button to go to a link of your choosing. Divider inserts a dividing line and spacer inserts a page break. Social will insert buttons for you to link your social media pages. Video allows you to link a video in the body of your email to be displayed to the recipients. If you are fluent in writing HTML code, you can select HTML to write your email using custom HTML code. First, we will add a text block. Click into the text block to pull up the text editor. This allows you to choose the type of text such as adding a header. Select a font, specify text size as well as text style. Set text alignment. Insert a link into your text. Apply a numbered or bulleted list, and adjust text as well as background color. If you want to add personalized client information, use the Merge Tags drop-down. Here you will see a list of merge tags. These are a helpful tool to insert things like client names, appointment information, etc. These tags will populate information based on the client that the email is being sent to. When your message is sent, personalized information from each client profile will be inserted in the place of what you see here. We will begin to create our message and add the client's first name to our template. We will center the text, change the size and color. If you want to view what your merge tags will look like when the email sends, click the Demo Data toggle to have demo information inserted. You can use the purple plus button to add new sections. In this window, you can choose different layouts. Next, we will add an image block. Drag your image into the upload area or click on it to browse for the image. Set the image size, alignment and adjust the image margins in the right side menu. If you ever want to delete a section, use the X button at the bottom of the section. The Save as Block button allows you to save a section as a preset to be used in the future on other emails. You can use the Copy button to duplicate a section in the body of your email. Use the Move icon to drag a section from one place to another in the body of the email. We will save now. It is a good idea to save as you go to avoid losing any work. Next, we will add a new section and add a button. This button will allow clients to go to the business website to book. Select the button and type to change the button's label. Navigate to the right side menu to set your booking link. You can find your booking link in the System area under the Online Booking tab. Select and copy the link. Paste your online booking link into the URL field. You can adjust the button's alignment and color as well as the corner radius and border. We will try each of these to show how they affect the look of the button. Padding will control the size of the button within the email. Margins will control the spacing of the button within the email. We will fast forward as we add some more text. We will then create a new section in order to add a footer with the business address. Click into the blue area and navigate to the Premade tab. This area has pre-made content options for you to use in your template. The options are Header, Content, E-commerce, and footer. We will choose a footer and type in the business address information. On the right side menu, there is an area to add the business social media links. If you use these buttons, you will need to paste your business social media links here. If you do not want links to social media, you can delete this. If at any point you want to undo a change, use the undo button. To preview your email, toggle the mobile or desktop buttons to view how the email will look on a mobile device versus a computer. It will take a few seconds to load the preview. Use the Send Test Email area by entering your email address and clicking the Send button. This will send a copy of the email to you so you can see how it looks. Click the Save button on the bottom right. We have now finished creating an email template. Thanks for watching.